I mean, the interesting thing where the technology has gone, which is important, is that many of the commercial fixtures we provide now as options are wattage and color changing. So what we'll do in many cases, we'll do a plan for them and we'll set the fixture to the middle wattage. So if for some reason in their space, because the actual space may be different than what we thought it was, they can either go up or go down to accommodate it to the specific requirements. And most fixtures in the commercial space now come color changeable too. So it can be set to 3, 4, or 5. And really depending on where it's being used or the preference for the site. But most people use 5000K. And you did mention something about, that ROI. That's that's why we're in the LED business and it's really booming, is because an LED over a traditional metal halide fixture fluorescent can save anywhere from 50 to 70% of the energy usage, which it pays for itself in many cases, including labor, in under 2 years, which is really the selling advantage electricians have, or justifying it from a facility. How do you cut your costs and how do you get new material in to give better, higher quality light, brighter? Because like a retail space, you want your building and your place to stand out. You want your parking lot bright so people feel safe to come. You have a couple dim facilities next to you. People they're going to come to you because it's bright. It's the nature of the beast.
I'd like to just, say too, for a lot of contractors that, especially if they're the prime contractor on a job for a building that is a non-exempt entity within the IRS code, whether that be government, that can include schools, a government building, hospital, or nonprofit for that matter. There's called Section 179D. It's a Section 179D deduction that y'all should be really considering, because in those instances where the building owner is non-exempt, you can qualify for that deduction when you increase. And there's specifics that you want to look into, but when you can increase the energy efficiency of that building in a particular manner, that using LED lighting, et cetera, that you have the opportunity to claim that deduction. And so just be looking into it. Granted, make sure that you look at the details of it, make sure you talk with your CPA, but these are things too that, again, just adding to the ROI for you as a contractor, that you get the tax advantage of doing something like this, because that deduction is going to be going away about mid-year this year because under Trump's new tax bill, he is fading it out, but there is a strong push in Congress that a lot of people really liked that. Generally, people were favorable towards making buildings more energy efficient with, nominal incremental upgrades, including LED lighting. And so there's a lot in Congress trying to push to actually keep that deduction in place, even though they're saying it won't renew in mid-year, but there's a lot of push to try to keep it.